guys, so as you can tell from the title, I'm on my way to get wood chips. You may be wondering what these would be for. Well, I'm hopefully going to be filling up this 14-foot dump trailer full of wood chips, and he said he'd have enough to fill it up, but who knows for sure. So anyway, hopefully he's got some. And yes, these wood chips are free. So this guy, he has a tree trimming business, I guess, and he doesn't have a big truck, but he does have a big wood chipper. So he always puts an ad on Craigslist and on Facebook Marketplace just saying free wood chips at this location, come if you want them. And so I've had this guy's number, and he contacts me whenever he's got some, and this will be the first time I've picked some up because he actually had a full trailer load. So anyway, so what I'm gonna do with these wood chips, so I don't know if any of you are familiar with Joel Salatin and the way he makes his compost. He has the Pigerator thing, if you know what I'm talking about, Pigerator, and then he also has the compost in the barn. Yeah, I'm not going to have pigs that I know of, but I will have wood chips available if I end up doing that. But what I plan on doing is just adding some, if we have a cow die or animal die, we also hunt deer, so if we have deer carcasses, the guts, what's left over, that'll all get thrown into the compost pile, get broken down and turned into fertilizer. And of course we'll add some cow manure to it to get it all to break down, and it may take 6 months to a year before the wood chips are actually pretty much broken down. If you just throw wood chips out there, they will suck up some of the nitrogen off the top of the soil apparently, and then it won't release the nitrogen until the wood chip completely breaks down. So anyway, so we'll let it break down depending on how long it takes, and we'll add some things to it, and by the end of this process we should have some really high quality compost to use. So okay, so I picked up the wood chips. The guy loaded them in like 45 minutes, pretty quick. Full trailer for the most part. There's a little space in there at the top, but pretty much got a full load, and it was completely free. So anyway, now I'm going to dump it. I think we figured out where we're gonna dump it. So time to unload this stuff.
Keep going. That's good.
Okay. So here's a compost pile after a little over a week. I added a little bit of old hay and a tiny bit of manure. Obviously that part didn't get mixed in, but right now it's about 48 degrees. We're gonna see if this stuff will steam. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I'm gonna go up here. See, right now that stuff, oh, you can't see the steam, but it's also mold in there, but it's over 100 degrees, I'd say. Almost burned your hand. But anyway, so that's the goal of this stuff. Some people will roll up a bunch of hose, put it on the inside, put some cold water through the hose, and it'll come out warm, but not gonna be doing that. This is just gonna be turning into compost eventually. So, and I know I can get a couple more truckloads of this stuff because the guy's been texting me on and off saying he's got a couple truck beds full I could take. So I may add some more to this eventually, but for now the stuff is just going to be sitting here heating up and breaking down, and you know, maybe in 6 months to a year it'll be ready to spread on garden or field or something. So anyway, it is outside. We didn't really have any good place to put it under a barn. So anyway, I know this wasn't really animal related like the normal videos, but it's just an extra for any of you interested. Thought I would show you guys what I'm doing here.